Whether you have already attempted to install a screen protector but got kind of not so great results with either air bubbles underneath or poor alignment, or maybe you're doing this for the first time, having installed countless screen protectors right here on my channel across a few different types of phones, I found a secret to getting consistently great results, so I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So whether you chose to go the tempered screen protector route, which is my personal preference and what I'll be demonstrating in this video, or you chose to go through the more flexible plastic films, this procedure will work for either of those cases. As for the materials required, you pretty much get everything that you need when you buy a screen protector. Usually included in those kits are of course the new screen protectors, application stickers, and also wet alcohol wipes. They might also come with some dry wipes, but that's not as necessary. Additionally, I'd recommend masking tape if your application stickers are not sticky enough or there isn't enough of them, and if you want, you can have a microfiber cleaning cloth too. Step 1 is to make sure that you are in a relatively clean and dust-free environment. Lint and dust particles that get trapped between the screen protector and your screen is what causes those permanent air bubbles. An intermediate step here is that if you already have a previously old screen protector applied, you of course want to first remove that. Then to minimize distractions, I'd recommend just turning off your phone altogether. Next, you want to take your new screen protector and have the alignment that you wanted. There should be one side that has a pull tab to remove the film. That will be the sticky side that should adhere to your phone screen. You want to make sure that is placed face down on your phone screen. Pay attention to your camera or speaker cutouts and if you have a home button. And then you want to take those alignment stickers and treat it like a hinge. So go ahead and wrap it around one side of your phone. So now here's the pro tip. You want to make sure that the alignment is held firmly in place by those stickers, and if the stickers are not quite sticky enough or you're not given enough right out of the box, this is where I would suggest that you supplement that with something like masking tape. Because the next step is that you want to kind of flip open the screen protector so that you can wipe down your screen before applying. So you go ahead and take those wipes that you are given with. You can start with the wet wipe. That way you kind of get any potential lint and dust. And with the alcohol wipes, it kind of prevents any further lint from sticking to your screen for a short period of time. And if you want, you can use the dry wipe to go ahead and remove any excess alcohol that's on the screen. And before you jump the gun and peel off that protective film on the screen protector, take one last quick look through to make sure there's really nothing else on your screen. Any little tiny dust or lint particle that's still on your screen when you apply the screen protector will create air bubbles. If you still see some small particles after wiping it down, that's when you can take an additional application sticker or masking tape to remove those. Once you're satisfied with the cleanliness of your screen, go ahead and quickly remove that protective film on the inside of the screen protector. And with the hinge stickers doing its job, you should get a perfect alignment how you wanted it. Now you just gotta remove those application stickers and take a look at your work. If there are some air bubbles underneath, don't worry, you just need to use your thumbs to start from the center and push them outwards to the edges. Some kits may include something like a squeegee or something like that, but personally I think it's faster and easier to just use your own fingers. And voila, there's your perfectly applied screen protector. Don't be afraid if there's still some small air bubbles that might get trapped underneath, depending on the type of screen protector that you get. As you use the phone more, those air bubbles will definitely get squeezed out as long as there's no dust or lint particles stuck underneath. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, greatly appreciate it, and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.